Hello, teachers and staff. Today we are going to discuss and choose from two learning management systems to adopt for our students to use. The two learning management systems are Google Classroom and Canvas. I will explain each system's features, its challenges and benefits, and I will offer my opinion on which is the best. Finally, we will take a school-wide vote and choose our system based on those results. Let's begin with Google Classroom. This is a web-based platform that integrates all of our Google apps, docs, sheets, slides, etc. into one space for our students to use. Here are some of the app's key features. First, you can create and manage multiple classes at once, which you can also reuse for future use. With your classes, students easily join them by typing a code, and once you have your class set up, you can easily post assignments and create due dates for them. Also, you can easily integrate rich materials to go along with your instruction, such as YouTube videos, hyperlinks to other websites, or a Google Doc that you just created. You can also see who turned in assignments, grade their work, and share your feedback with them privately. One last feature I want to highlight is the class discussion. Here, you can post announcements and engage students in question-driven discussion. Students and teachers can see a stream of student responses for everyone to respond to. These features bring lots of benefits to the classroom. The ability to instruct students, post assignments, assess understanding, and create meaningful discussions in one platform makes planning much more efficient. Google Classroom also allows teachers and students to collaborate with each other by sharing resources and working on assignments together. Finally, it is free to use the app just like the other Google apps, making it affordable for administration to implement. Some challenges that arise with this is that Classroom is much easier to use if you already have Google software and hardware. Also, it is very important to remain organized. Even though the app does see some of the organization for you, if you're not careful, you can create a cluttered homepage that will be difficult for you and your students to use. Another learning management system is Canvas. Like Google Classroom, Canvas simplifies teaching and learning by connecting all the digital tools we use into one place for our students to access. One feature of Canvas is Canvas Commons. Here, you can search for, upload, and share resources for your students to access. You can also send announcements and provide feedback, but this time it can be in the form of an audio or video message, a way to combine distance learning and face-to-face interaction. One last feature I want to highlight is the use of badges, a great way to reward and motivate students based on participation and their performance. The benefits of Canvas are the same as Google Classroom. It's efficient, it allows for collaboration among students and teachers, and it's free to use. On the other hand, Canvas can be very overwhelming. It has many features that make it attractive, but it can take a while to learn all of the subtle nuances that make it worthwhile to use. So my personal opinion is for us to use Google Classroom as our primary learning management system. For one, we already use Chromebooks and Google Drive as our main hardware and software, so Classroom is pretty much integrated. We just have to implement it. Also, Classroom allows us as teachers to support our students. By collaborating with them through shared documents and providing immediate feedback, our students will get a better sense of community within the classroom. Finally, Google Classroom reflects the concept of hybrid learning, which is blending the traditional face-to-face interaction with online learning. Research shows this type of environment effectively targets at-risk students, which could benefit us as a Title I school. Even though this is how I feel, it's not just up to me, it is up to us as a school. So please log on to Poll Everywhere and vote on your choice based on the information I provided you. Thanks.